Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we will be doing how to search for a particular niche on LinkedIn, like how you can search your desired client on LinkedIn on a free basis, and I will show you how you can leverage with the keywords used in your particular niche. So let's start. So I will be heading to LinkedIn and right now I will do a research for the niche roofing. So we'll start from here. We'll type roofing. We'll press enter and so my target location is USA. So I will be putting filters here. So I will choose on people and after that the location will be United States and show results. So I have sent connection request to all these people and so this is the one step you can do. The second step is how you can find out keywords which you can search on LinkedIn to get clients for yourself or for your agency. So right now I have searched for roofing. So next will be like this. When you scroll down, you will get like people also search for roofing sales, roofing companies, construction, roofing manager, and roofing marketing, roofers. So these are the keywords you can search beyond like apart from roofing, you can search this. So we will take roofers for example. So we'll click on this. So if we click on a particular keyword, so it will reset. So again, we will apply the filter here. So we will click on people and we'll put the location as United States and you will get people who have like they have written on on their profile or they have included in their bio section. So for example, this person Jeff, so he's a founder and he's a roofer. So he has used this keyword on his profile, roofer. So like this you can search and when you like scroll to next page you will get to see other keywords also which are particular in your niche. So you can check from here and you can type that and you can see connections. See, you can see people here and after that you can connect them and you can pitch them your service or whatever service you are offering to them. So this is the one step. So next step will be like a Boolean search. So for example, like there is a way you can search, like suppose you are not getting exact leads what you are looking on LinkedIn, so you can perform a Boolean search. So like you will write this in this format: roofer and he should be a owner, like for a particular company or anything. So like this, you can also do a research on LinkedIn and you can get results. So here also you will click on people and you will put the location as United States and you will get your desired result here. And from here you can connect to people and you can pitch them your service. You can you can connect, you can pitch your service in regards to like sending a connection request also, or if you don't want you can send it without a note and after he or anyone who will accept your connection request then you can pitch your service in their DM. So this was a short video on how to get leads from LinkedIn for free. So we'll see some other ways how you can find leads for your particular niche for your marketing agency, or if you are a freelancer you can search for your freelancer gig. So we'll see in the next video and if you really enjoy this method of searching how to get free leads from LinkedIn, do follow me and we'll see you in the next video.